They're off and running. Early lead is taken by Champs from the outside. Is Champs Silver Tang and moving up on the inside to infinity and beyond. A spectacular reach. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Champs in the lead, followed by To Infinity and Beyond by the rail. And nearing the far turn, it is still Champs by half a length, followed by To Infinity and Beyond. And moving up on the outside is entry number 6, Silver Tang. And rounding the far turn, it's still Champs in the lead, followed by Silver Tang on the outside. By the rail is To Infinity and Beyond. And running now in fourth is Boardwalk. And the last bend for home, it is still Champs in the lead. It's Champs on the outside, Silver Tang, To Infinity and Beyond. And moving up on the inside is Boardwalk. But it's still Champs in the lead. It's Champs followed by Silver Tang on the outside, and Boardwalk moving up on the inside. But it's still Champs in the lead, followed now by Boardwalk on the inside. It's Champs on the outside, and by the rail is Boardwalk. And nearing the payoff line, it's going to be Champs, Boardwalk, Silver Tang, To Infinity and Beyond, Doña Nicasio, a spectacular reach and hail praises.
Okay, 72615 order of arrival here.